percaya wo in.
All right, Spider-Man. It's nice knowing you. Here we go. Look, Parker, the danger isn't Mysterio. It's you trying to live two lives at once, and the longer you go on doing that, the more dangerous it becomes.
Wait, can't some people still know?
That's not quite how the spell works, and it's very difficult and dangerous to try and change it mid-casting.
It's gonna work. So that's pretty
Well,
great.
it's hand, and then as he turns around,
Who are you? Where am I?
The less they know, the better.
I'm just gonna move his head so I see your face the whole way.
Okay.
It's great.
Hello, Peter.